guys, my name is Monica. I also go by English Teacher Monica. Today's English lesson is going to be about when and how to use this, that, these, and those. We will look at different examples, sentences, and there will be opportunities for you to create your own sentences using these as well. Sometimes learning can be boring and confusing, but I'm here to help make it interesting and fun. In addition to that, there will be some quizzes for you to check how you're progressing throughout the lesson. I've also included a video specifically for those of you who do not have the TH sound in your language. So I will be teaching you how to produce the TH sound so you can sound like a native speaker. So let's get into the lesson.